A glossary of terms. It really annoys me when people use the wrong terms or they don't understand what they really mean. So here we go. Or, WTF did that mean? What does all this jargon mean? It's all simple until people start misusing it. For instance, FM, it's a method of modulating a signal. AM is the other method. How many times have you heard someone say, oh, it's the AM band or the FM band? But they don't really know what that means. I heard one today say, that's medium wave. Oh, that's the AM band. In Europe, we have long wave, medium wave and short wave, UHF, VHF and microwave. As it happens, the normal method of modulation on long wave, medium wave is by using AM, and on UHF and VHF it's by FM. That's only by convention, not by necessity. Long wave is low frequency, medium wave is medium frequency, and short wave is high frequency. Short wave can be AM, FM, SSB, or various other forms of, including standard Morse code. But the convention normally for normal radio is AM. Or at least when the conventions were written up, that's how they did it. The long, medium and short is referring to the wavelength. On long wave it could be over a mile long, and on microwave it could be fractions of a metre. On VHF FM you're talking about just over 2 metres. CB is technically shortwave and it's around 11 metres. And that illustrates the point. When CB first came out, 27 megahertz was considered high frequency and therefore shortwave. But now, since then we've had VHF and all the rest of it, so UHF, it makes a big difference. And for those that don't know what modulation is, here's a quick look. FM is where the carrier frequency is pushed backwards and forwards, making it higher or lower frequency by the audio that's going on it. And AM is the bottom one, where the signal is made bigger and smaller and gives us not such good quality signal, but it does tend to travel a bit better than FM. There are other modulation methods, but we won't go into them here. This was just a quickie, just so you understood. AM, FM, nothing to do with frequency, nothing to do with AM and FM. Just the way people confuse it.